All right, and we're back. Very early in the morning here. So we're going to see if we can do this quick swap out of the fuel cap and the dummy cap today. It should not take all but maybe 5 minutes, if that. Obviously, the fuel cap is cut and dry. You know, unscrew the old one, and put the new one on. Again, that's the part number for the fuel cap. It is the locking model that I got. As I said in the video, the unpacking video, I tried to locate some pulls. But evidently, everybody that has pulled their caps and gone with this, you know, Willie G or one of the other styles, they're hanging on to them or they tossed them in the trash because nobody seems to have pulls. So I just ended up buying brand new fuel cap and dummy cap. So as you can see, I've had a couple of these on other bikes in the past. This is the Barn Shield logo. This flips up like this for your key, so you can unlock it. And then, so we're just going to swap this out. All right, let me do this. Okay. All right, Willie G coming off. One Willie G fuel cap. As you guys can see, they're pretty damn heavy too. All right, so that goes into my Willie G pulled parts collection. And then this is the new fuel cap, and this just screws on. And you turn it till it clicks, and then now it doesn't come off. So you have to add the key to get it into position. All right, so obviously, as I said, easy and simple to do the swap out. Just don't forget to put your new key on your ring. Otherwise, you're liable to be a distance away and not be able to get gas. So that's the first thing I'm going to do before I go any further. We're going to throw this on here, like so. Add that to my collection. Very good. All right, so locking caps on the key. Now, next order of business is going to be the dummy cap. And the dummy cap is simple. From what I've been able to figure out, well, yeah, I threw my spare key on the ground. So in order to do the dummy cap, all you need to do is push down and turn left. What it claims. So let's see, again, all right, so this is the factory dummy cap part number. They call it a Fox cap, so another word for fake, but it's a dummy cap. And that can go there. Dummy cap for us dummies. All right. So what I was thinking I may do with this is find somebody who does laser engraving, and then the same logo that's on the fuel cap, maybe have it laser engraved. It shouldn't take long for somebody to be able to do that. So we'll see. I'm going to figure something out to kind of match it up. All right, now, for the dummy cap, all you have to do is push down and turn till it stops, and then pull straight up, and there you go. Dummy cap's off. And again, these things are heavy, these Willie G skulls. So if you're in the New Jersey area, as I always say, if you're interested in purchasing them, they will be for sale. Let's see, what do we got here? So that is, looks like it has, this is supposed to stay on the cap, because as you can see, there is a piece there, piece of foam. So let me see if we can peel this. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh, it's not even stuck. It's just like a spacer. That's all it is. So, and now we get this, line this up, and push down and turn, and there it is. So, all done. Quick and easy. That's it, and that's nice and snug, nice and tight. So I'm going to put this piece of foam in with the dummy cap, the Willie G skull. So this way, anybody wants to buy them, they'll have everything they need to put it back together. And there it is. So That can go in there. Fuel cap can go with it. As I said, if you're in the New Jersey, Southeast Pennsylvania area, these items, I have so much Willie G stuff that is pulled off so far, and there's that much more yet that has to come off. So you see the caps. I got the caps. I've got Willie G shifter peg, Willie G brake pedal pad. I've got Willie G foot pegs for softail, 18 up softail, the wider style. I have a set of those. I have a set of Willie G, what would be for a highway peg, you know, because they have the narrow, they still had the narrow style mount on them. So I have that. There's going to be, again, Willie G primary cover, timer cover. What the heck else? Axle covers. Transmission, I think, is on there. Is that Willie G too? No, he didn't. That's one of the things he didn't do Willie G. I am amazed. So, but that's all Willie G crap. And like I said, that's a little bit more off of there for now. I still have the mirrors. I'm going to do the mirrors and the guards that are going to go over. But again, it's hot out. It's a little cooler, you know, at this time of the morning, but we had some rain and the humidity level just went through the roof. All right, with that said, that is the how to swap out your fuel cap. Obviously, you just unscrew it, but how to do the dummy cap. So you just push down hard, turn left, pull it off, push down hard, turn right to install the new one, and that's it. You're all done. All right. As always, thanks for watching. Again, if you're interested in any of the Willie G stuff I take off and you're in Central, North New Jersey, South Jersey to Southeast PA, that's the area where I live. So you let me know if you're interested in anything, and maybe we can come to an agreement on price. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.